Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lee. So if you're new to this channel, welcome. How about you join the Crownz squad by hitting the subscribe button and hitting the bell next to it so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And for my returning subscribers, you know I'm always glad that you're here. So if you want to know more about this unit that I'm wearing, how about you stay tuned.
It's a bad man tonight. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, He's bad.
Guys, so today's unit that I'm gonna be doing was sent to me by Amazon company. I'm just trying to put up the details, and it's from Wigmy. Such a strange name. It's Wigmy 13x4 Kinky straight lace wig, and it's like real Yaki. And then I have it in the 16 inches, and it's $99, but they have a $5 coupon that you can use. And it is 100% human hair. This is what she's looking like. And it said the cap size is 21 to 22.5 inches, which is not bad. We'll see if that's true. But yeah, it came in this cute packaging, this cute silk satin stuff. It's nice. And then they sent this nice lashes, 3D eyelashes, which is nice. I love the packaging on there, but am I gonna wear it? No, I'm not. I'm not gonna wear it because that is a little too extra for me. A little too extra, but this is what the hair is looking like. I love the texture so far. It's Yaki. You know me, I love my Yaki texture. And for cap construction, let me turn it inside out. It comes with 3 combs. One in the front, or two on the side. One in the front, and there's one in the back, and they're adjustable straps. And it has a 13x4 lace, which is nice. I am here for it. I went ahead and adjusted the straps because I think this one we're gonna have to lay her down. And the lace is pretty neat. The lace is fine. It looks like it's blending kind of into my skin, or it'll be easy to blend into my skin. But I'm gonna take this one off. The review should be up, or it's coming up next, so you definitely make sure you have your notifications on so you can be notified whenever it goes up. But I'm gonna be right back. So this is what she is looking like. A whole hair just came out with that. I don't know, it's like it just came right out. But this is what the hairline is looking like. I don't think it's bad. I'm definitely gonna have to glue her down. She's ear to ear, and yeah, you got the little space so you can part it anywhere, but you know I'm gonna part it in the middle because I'm a middle part person. But at least there is that option if you want to part it anywhere. And the cap construction was, the cap is fitting me nicely, you know. Will it be big head friendly? I don't know. It might be big head associate, but definitely stay tuned for the Alright guys, so this is what this hair looks like after I've worked her, and I'm sorry I didn't record the styling process because it took me a minute. Like this is the longest I've ever spent on the hair, and I was just getting frustrated because I glue her down. Well, as you can see, she's like, I glue her down. I think it was my first time full on gluing a hair down, so I was struggling. I just got annoyed and I was like, but I think I did a decent job. Let me know what you think. And she has a lot of flyaway. As you can see, I use my stuff. There's hair on there. I don't know if you can see it. There's hair on here. But she has a lot of flyaway, and you definitely gonna have to work with it. And then I blow dry it, and I use my hot comb on it just to give it a more sleek look. But other than that, I'm getting 1 or 2 strands from it. No tangling whatsoever. I think for the price, and this is 16 inches, so like she's like, that's how long she is. For the price, I think she's definitely worth it. And I just want to give Wigmy a huge shout out for sending me this unit. I appreciate it. I love it. And you see it got layers in front of it, which is nice, you know, which is really nice. I like it. You know, I love Yaki. Yaki is my favorite texture any day and time. Yeah, I'm here for it. And I put the Maybelline powder just to widen the space a little bit. And now I think I'm loving it. I think she's about to be my hair for the week, you know. Tomorrow is Monday. I'm recording this on a Sunday, so I think this is about to be my wig for the week. But yeah, I love it. I don't have anything bad to say. I made for cap construction. The cap is fitting very nice. You know, it's not too tight, so it might be BK friendly. And back here, I saw that it has lace back here. Like, I don't know why it has a lace back there, because it's not a 360, so I guess you can put it up in a ponytail. But I'm not going to be doing that, but I would definitely cut that lace off. But yeah, I really like it. I like this. It's nice. It's nice. I think after all the work that I put in, she's worth it, because you know I was getting annoyed. Like, I was frustrated. So hopefully next time if I glue down a lace, I will definitely record the process so you can see me through my struggles and whatnot. And make sure you're following your girl on Instagram at LoveYourCrownz, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
It's a bad man.